Headed on a road trip? There's a better way to get all of this into this. Here's how. Hitting the open road with your BFF, the sights, the playlists, the snacks. You picture your road trip looking like this. But without a packing plan, it'll look more like this. Especially if your friend's packing style is a little more free-spirited than you'd like. Instead of thinking of your car like a vehicle, think of it as a mobile apartment with a lot less legroom. Divide the car into zones. The front seat is like your living room for the next couple of weeks. The back seat is your grab-and-go zone, and the very back is your long-term storage. And your walk-in, reach-in closet. Let's start with the front seat. Whether you're driving, navigating, or spinning questionable 90s hits, you're gonna wanna keep your phone charged. If your car doesn't have built-in chargers, bring a 2-port USB adapter. You'll never have to choose between directions and boy bands again. At some point, though, your phone will probably die. When the time comes, you'll need one of those old-fashioned paper maps. Mark your route and star any landmarks of note. Also, this makes a great post-road trip keepsake. You're going to be sitting and sipping and snacking a lot. Bring a reusable water bottle and coffee mug to cut down on trash, and keep a garbage bin handy. Things could get ugly up in here, so spend 5 minutes cleaning every time you stop. Keep basics you'll need at a moment's notice, like wet wipes and a first aid kit in the glove box. Here's what to keep handy, just in case. You'll also need cold hard cash for tolls, farmers markets, and that adorable roadside stand. Who can resist the summer tomato? And keep a neck pillow and a blanket or hoodie handy for California dreamin'. Hey, focus! Keep your instant camera handy for lots of memory making. Who knows, you may even get a selfie with a seal. Like a selfie. Get it? And whatever you do, don't drive hungry. Onto the back seat. Skip the grocery bags and keep dry food in a plastic bin that's accessible from the front seat. Use hook and loop strips to attach a zip-top bag of silverware and plates to the top of the lid. Tuck in a paring knife, tiny flexible cutting board, and do the same with hand sanitizer. You'll never be searching again. You're not camping, so you don't need to bring 3 meals a day. Instead, fill a soft-sided cooler with fresh food that's harder to find at gas stations. Start with ice packs and frozen water bottles, then add your snacks of choice. Get a tune-up before you head out, but still, a road trip needs an emergency kit. Here's what to pack. Filling up, don't forget to utilize hidden space like the area under the seats or in the glove box. This is where you should also keep your small purse or crossbody bag for quick stops and day trips. On to the clothes. This isn't the time to bring a hard-sided suitcase. Instead, bring a backpack and duffel. The backpack should be your go bag. Keep your everyday essentials, from toiletries to daily medicines, and up to 7 days worth of clothes, so you don't have to keep unpacking and repacking your bag. Once an item is dirty, throw it in a compression bag and tuck it back into your duffel bag. Bring a few plastic bags to store wet clothes until you get to your next overnight stop. Swap in a new piece from your larger duffel bag. You've got the essentials, but these are the nice-to-haves. Make a DIY air freshener with your favorite essential oil and some clothespins. If there's room, add in extras to help pass the time, like coloring books or sports equipment. Finish up with the big stuff, literally. Let's point this trip to success. If you're bringing along bikes, boats, or anything else you'll store on the outside of the car, make sure you can still access what you need once it's attached. If you have to unpack the whole car every time you want a snack, your road trip might be doomed before you hit Fisherman's Wharf. Now all you need is a good friend and an even better playlist. And a hot dog. You definitely need a hot dog. Hope you grabbed extra napkins.